Welcome! Let's kick off by downloading the WordPress app from your mobile store. It's free and packed with features. Once downloaded, open the app and tap Create Site. It's time to unleash your creativity. Next, choose a catchy domain name. Make it memorable and relevant to your content. Now, select a theme that fits your style. Browse through stunning designs and pick your favorite. Personalize your site. Customize colors, fonts, and layouts effortlessly with user-friendly sliders. Finally, publish your site. One tap and your website goes live for the world to see. Explore the dashboard. Manage posts, media, and comments all from your mobile device. Create engaging content with photos and videos directly from your phone. It's easy and fun. Don't forget SEO. Use plugins to optimize your site for search engines. Boost your visibility. Integrate social media. Connect platforms to share your content seamlessly and grow your audience. Review your progress. Monitor site performance directly from your mobile for quick adjustments. Congratulations! You've just created your own WordPress website right from your mobile. Now, share your journey.